Slowly but surely, you get there. Honor your transition. Sabi nila, honor your process. Minsan, nakakalimutan nilang isama yung transition. Ano nga ba ang transition? Transition is the most silent part of the process. It is where you decide to continue or to stop. It is where you determine who's constant or not. It is where you evaluate your goals and plans. It is simply the time when you wish to know more about yourself. Transitions are important. It will either make or break you. Maaari ngayon walang highlight or exciting happening sa buhay mo. Ang tawag dyan ay transition. Right now, there might be no climax or exciting part of your growth. Still, remember that roots grow beneath the surface. Something that is not seen, something that slowly anchors you to your why. Slowly but surely, you get there. Trust the process, but don't forget to honor your transition. Yun lang at mag-iingat ka palagi. Ito ang Paghilom Mga Tula at Sanaysay ni Kim Derla. God bless!